It is estimated that around 500,000 earthquakes occur each year. Detectable with current instrumentation. About 100,000 of these can be felt. Minor earthquakes occur nearly constantly around the world in places like California and Alaska in the U.S., as well as in El Salvador, Mexico, Guatemala, Chile, Peru, Indonesia, the Philippines, Iran, Pakistan, the Azores in Portugal, Turkey, New Zealand, Greece, Italy, India, Nepal, and Japan. Larger earthquakes occur less frequently, the relationship being exponential. For example, roughly 10 times as many earthquakes larger than magnitude 4 occur in a particular time than earthquakes larger than magnitude 5. In the low seismicity United Kingdom, for example, it has been calculated that the average recurrences are an earthquake of 3.7 to 4.6 every year, an earthquake of 4.7 to 5.5 every 10 years, and an earthquake of 5.6 or larger every 100 years. This is an example of the Gutenberg-Richter law. The number of seismic stations has increased from about 350 in 1931 to many thousands today. As a result, many more earthquakes are reported than in the past. But this is because of the vast improvement in instrumentation, rather than an increase in the number of earthquakes. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, estimates that, since 1900, there have been an average of 18 major earthquakes, magnitude 7.0 to 7.9, and one great earthquake, magnitude 8.0 or greater, per year, and that this average has been relatively stable. In recent years, the number of major earthquakes per year has decreased, though this is probably a statistical fluctuation rather than a systematic trend. More detailed statistics on the size and frequency of earthquakes is available from the United States Geological Survey. A recent increase in the number of major earthquakes has been noted, which could be explained by a cyclical pattern of periods of intense tectonic activity, interspersed with longer periods of low intensity. However, accurate recordings of earthquakes only began in the early 1900s, so it is too early to categorically state that this is the case. Most of the world's earthquakes, 90% and 81% of the largest, take place in the 40,000 kilometer long, 25,000 miles, horseshoe-shaped zone called the Circum-Pacific Seismic Belt, known as the Pacific Ring of Fire, which for the most part bounds the Pacific Plate. Massive earthquakes tend to occur along other plate boundaries too, such as along the Himalayan mountains. With the rapid growth of megacities such as Mexico City, Tokyo, and Tehran in areas of high seismic risk, some seismologists are warning that a single earthquake may claim the lives of up to 3 million people.